everyone, and welcome back to Toshkin House. Today is an exciting day because I'm getting ready to restore these doors. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you have not seen this video on when I purchased my doors, I will link that video down below. It is day one on this project and I am so excited to transform these doors. But before I get started, I want to show you guys a really good close-up of what the doors look like previously on the day that I purchased them. First things first, I am using a soft brush to start off by cleaning all of the debris that has been accumulating over time. These doors were outside for I don't know how long. So I'm just getting all of the debris off, and I just love the shape and its pattern incorporated inside these doors. They are just so gorgeous. So yes, I'm still scrubbing away, getting all this debris off. And I tell you, it's just like brushing your teeth, honey. You just got to get all that yuckiness out, okay? But yes, I'm still brushing, and when the time comes, I will flip the door and really get the other side. But right now, I'm just trying to get off what I see in this state. So I cleaned this off, so now I'm getting ready to sand.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I just love talking to my neighbors and getting to know them. They are just so sweet. And you know, like my father says in heaven, to love thy neighbors. And well, I definitely take that to heart. So let me know in the comment section, do you get to know your neighbors and do you show love to them as well? Yes, oh yes, oh yes. I am still taking my time because these doors are old. And as you can see, I'm using a sander and it has different levels to go up while sanding. But I chose to stay with one the whole entire time. I started with the coarse grit and I worked my way down all the way to the finest grit. I am slowly taking my time to restore the doors to its natural beauty. I have worked my way down towards the raised panel at the bottom of the door, and I absolutely love this acanthus leaf design. Right now, I'm getting everything cleaned out, scrubbing the extra debris and the crevices. And again, guys, I'm taking my time because this is beauty here. It is so important to restore these doors properly. If you're new here to Toshkin House, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. My family and I recently moved here to Albuquerque from Oklahoma, and we are in the process of building our home here. So if you're loving my content, please subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you here.
Has it finished? Why are you asking me now? What type of question is that one? Boy. Is the album finished or do we have a few more songs to go? It seems like it's got one or two more. Oh, we are not done yet.
Exactly.
Okay. No, I've heard you, Sha. What is all this rockers? Tell me.
I now give you the transformation of what the front of the doors are looking like after a long course of sanding. It is now nice and smooth to the touch, and I'm also embracing the character that I left behind these doors. And look at the iron. Oh my goodness, it looks so dreamy. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and it is time to get the back side of the door. But before I get started, I wanted to show you the before on this side. It had a lot of stain, and while I did not want to use any type of stripping gel to remove the old stain, that is just such a messy process that I was trying to avoid. But I cannot wait to get started. I want to show you a really quick close-up of what the iron looks like before I get going. All right, so let's get started.
Niggas say that's so boomba, yeah, but I ain't never met one like Yahweh. That's so bad. Go side, go side, go side, go side. Shoti mommy wopa, moti koni wopare. Shoti mommy wopa, moti koni wopare. Like, hey, love me mother, send $1. That's just all I say. Undercover, then they call me yes so boomba, yeah. Thanks for waiting, better move my way. Stop the hating, no debating, here's the truth I say. I can just see mommy putting her hand.
I have some muscles in these arms.
See mommy putting her hand in the air for this one shot. Go mommy, go mommy. This new SO Afro beats. I don't understand it, but I just like it. It's making me move. I'm shaku it. I'm doing all the moves, all the new move. I'm shaku it. I'm doing all the moves, all the new ones that I see on YouTube. I'm just doing it. I can't do the gosa, but I'm sure I tried. Mommy, don't hurt yourself. Okay. Go mommy, go mommy. Is it over? I don't know yet, but it seems like it's done. Okay, we're out.
Okay, guys, this is what it is now looking like after using the coarse grit of sanding these doors. It is looking so good. I mean, it's just looking so good. So the next step is to sand down with a medium grit, and then I'm going to finish it off with a fine grit. And then I'm going to blow all of the excess off, clean the dirt, all the dust. And then once I clean all that part off, the next part is to seal it, which is my favorite part. So, all right, here we go.
Make sure you stay with one all the way from coarse to medium to fine. That way you're not messing with your door. You don't want to mess up your door. So I stay with one, I take my time, and I enjoy it. By the way, this is my little guy. Mama's baby. His name is Stripe. That's why we named him that. Don't he look like the gremlin Stripe? But he's my baby. He's a rescue, and we done had him for 3 years now. And he is so spoiled. Yes, you are. All right, back to work. I just realized I have no gloves on. Now I need to go and grab some. So let me go wash my hands. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like 20 minutes later. I've wiped down all the excess oil off of it. I'm getting ready to go on do its next coat. But I wanted to come in and show you what it looks like before I do that. And I am loving the cracks. I just love that age. I love the character. I love the history behind these doors. And I just love the beauty of the natural wood coming out and just shining bright like a little diamond, like a nice little gem after being sealed. And the next time you see the door, you will see the after, the final product. And well, I am so excited. Here's the before of what my door looked like. Here is the after. I am so proud of how they turned out, and I cannot wait to show you guys its permanent home. I thank you all for tuning in. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time.